Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to reset any GE dishwasher. Doesn't matter if you have an old version or new version. It doesn't matter if you have just a regular GE or if you have a GE Monogram. Basically, the same principles apply. First thing with all models, if you just need to do a reset for whatever reason, you got a wash that won't stop. One thing you could do is go into your home and go to the circuit breaker like this, find out where the power is to your dishwasher, turn it off, and you should usually see like a diagram here that will show exactly where the kitchen is, where the dishwasher is, and keep it off for a good 5 to 10 minutes. And then after you do that, turn it back on, and that should do a reset. And then all your water should drain if you do have a water cycle. All right, now on this particular one, it's got the reset option button right here. And the only thing you do, of course, it's closed and locked. You would just hold the reset options for 3 seconds. And then you let go. If there's water draining, same thing, same purpose. You hold down the reset options for 3 seconds. And then just wait till the water completely drains out. And then you can start fresh. And that's a good reset. Now, there's some GEs that will have actually a start reset button on the control panel itself. Same thing, but you'll open up the door, and then when you open up the door, you hold down the reset start for 3 seconds, let go, close it, lock it, and then hold down the reset start for 3 seconds. All right, now, last but not least, right down here on the floor panel, this is called a kick stand here, a kick panel, and some of them you could just literally just pop off. This one actually had 4 screws. It has one here on every corner, like a picture frame, and they actually use two different type of screws. This one uses like a regular Phillips head screwdriver, and then the other two use like you'd have to use like a, not a crescent wrench, but like a socket wrench. But what I did to get that off, I just used a set of pliers. All right, so as you can see here, there is a button here. If you can see there on the very left, it says reset. See that button on the left? The test you don't have to worry about. The test is right here. This is the reset button. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold that down for 5 seconds, and then we're going to let go, and that'll reset your GE dishwasher. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section, what model GE do you have? Do you have a Monogram? Do you have an older version, a newer version? Let me know. But the surefire way to do it is go to the breaker room and go to the breaker panel, and then shut it off for about 10 minutes. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.